Let me ask you something. Have you ever taken a perfect trade on the 5-minute chart? Everything looked clean. Your setup was perfect. And then suddenly, boom, stop loss hit. But when you zoom out to the 1 hour or daily chart, you realize price was reacting to a major level you completely ignored. If this sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain why higher time frame always wins in trading, why lower time frame traders struggle, and how professional traders use higher time frame direction with lower time frame entries to stay profitable. Watch till the end, because this one concept alone can change your trading forever. Most traders do this. They open the chart, zoom straight into 1 minute or 5-minute, start hunting setups. No direction, no context, just signals. This is like trying to drive a car while only looking at the speedometer and ignoring the road. Lower time frame without higher time frame context is gambling. Why? Because the market doesn't move randomly. It moves based on higher time frame decisions. Lower time frames only show reactions, not control. Let's talk about who controls price. Retail traders, small accounts, fast entries, emotional decisions, institutions, banks, hedge funds, smart money. Institutions do not trade the 1-minute chart. They place positions on for a daily, weekly. Their orders are huge. They can't enter in seconds. They need zones, not signals. So when price approaches a daily or weekly level, that's where real money is waiting. That's why lower time frame breakouts fail. Reversals happen randomly. Stops get hunted. It's not random. You're just trading below the battlefield. Higher time frame shows real trend, market structure, strong support and resistance. Ask yourself, is the daily trend bullish or bearish? Is price making higher highs or lower lows? Where is the last strong impulse? On lower time frame, structure changes every few minutes. Fake trends appear. Price looks confusing. But higher time frame simplifies everything. One daily candle, hundreds of lower time frame candles combined. That's why higher time frame structure always dominates. Let's be honest. Lower time frame trading feels exciting. More trades, faster results, constant action. But here's the problem. More trades, but more mistakes. More emotions, less discipline. Lower time frames are full of fake breakouts, liquidity grabs, stop hunts. Why? Because institutions use lower time frame liquidity to fill higher time frame orders. So when you sell support on a 5-minute chart, you're often selling into higher time frame demand. That's why price reverses instantly. Let me make this very clear. A daily support level can hold for weeks or months, has millions of dollars in orders, has memory. A 1-minute support level exists for minutes, breaks easily, has no weight. Price respects time spent at a level. The more time a level survives, the stronger it becomes. That's why weekly levels are strongest. Daily levels, very strong. Lower time frame levels, entry tools only. Here's the rule professional traders follow. Higher time frame gives direction. Lower time frame gives entry. Step-by-step process. Start with daily or 4H. Mark trend. Mark key zones. Decide bias. Only buy in bullish market. Only sell in bearish market. Drop to lower time frame. Wait for confirmation. Look for structure shift. Take precise entry. If lower time frame setup goes against higher time frame, ignore it. No exceptions. Higher time frame trading also improves patience, discipline, risk control. You trade less but better. Instead of 10 emotional trades per day, you take 1-2 high-quality trades. This reduces overtrading, revenge trading, burnout. Most losing traders don't lose because of strategy. They lose because they trade too much, too fast, without context. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you keep losing on lower time frame, it's not because the strategy is bad. The market is manipulated. It's because you're fighting higher time frame power. Market is not against you. You're just trading from the wrong perspective. Zoom out. Let the market tell the story. If this video helped you understand trading better, hit the like button. If you want more videos on higher time frame strategy, entry models, trading psychology, subscribe to the channel. And remember, higher time frame always wins. Align with it or get run over by it. See you in the next video.